This video will show you some of the features of your new Yealink T48 phone. We will talk about how to make and take phone calls, as well as some in-call handling such as conference and transfer. We will then move on to some other features such as voicemail, do not disturb, directories, and more. The first thing you will notice is that your new phone has a touchscreen. There are 3 line keys for making and taking calls. You have a number of busy keys. These keys will monitor the status of a friend's line. The busy key light illuminates solid red when the friend's line is in use. By pressing the More button, you will see all of the busy keys available to you. You can clear the screen by pressing Hide. You have Call Park, Transfer to Voicemail, and Find Me, Follow Me. These are soft keys. These keys will change depending on the function you're performing. While in idle, you have History, Directory, Do Not Disturb, and a Menu button. From History, we can see our missed calls, our placed calls, received, forwarded calls. We can also dial from here just by pressing the button.
Thank you for calling.
Directory, you can search by name. You can dial by pressing the button.
Thank you for calling the Anne Arundel County Circuit.
Do Not Disturb. You can press this button if you do not want your phone to ring. Menu. This will show you the status of your phone. You can see the IP address of your phone. If you press the basic feature and then press Display and Wallpaper, you can change the wallpaper of your phone. And save. While on a call, you will notice that the soft keys changed. They changed to transfer, hold, conference, and end call. You have a headset button, mute, voicemail, hold, redial, transfer, speakerphone. The X button will cancel a call. You have your directional arrows and your send button. If you press this button after you dial, it will send the call quicker. When you receive a call, your phone will ring and you will see the caller ID displayed. To answer, you may press the headset button, the speaker button, or lift the handset off the hook, or you may press answer. While on a call, you can change the volume up and down by pressing the volume button. If your phone is ringing and you do not want to answer it, you may press the X button and your caller will be sent to voicemail. If you are on one call and a second call comes in, you'll see the incoming call's caller ID displayed on your screen. To answer the second call, press Answer. The first call will go on hold automatically. You can go in between calls by simply pressing the line keys. One will say hold and one will say talking. Call park and call hold and when to use. Hold is used for holding a call that only your phone can pick back up. Call park is used for resting a call that anyone in the company can pick up. You press call park and the call will be assigned a parking space number.
71.
That call was assigned parking space 71. You can tell your friend that is picking up the call what parking space the call is parked at, and they will press 71, send, and they will retrieve the call. When placing a call on park, you will notice that the call does not show on your phone's display. To resume the call from any phone, dial the parking space number and press send to speed the process. Transfer a call. To transfer a call, press transfer and then input the extension or the phone number of the party you would like to call. You always need to press transfer a second time before the call will send. If you press transfer now, that call is a blind transfer. The person receiving the call will see the caller ID of the caller, not the person transferring the call. If you would like to announce a call before sending it, press the transfer button and dial the extension of the person you would like to transfer the call to. But this time, wait until the person answers.
Hello, this is Jeremy.
And press the transfer button again after you have announced the call to that person. To transfer to a person's voicemail directly, simply press the transfer to voicemail button and the extension of the person you wish to transfer to. Conference call. To arrange a three-way phone call, press conference. This places the first call on hold. Then type the phone number or the extension of the person that you want to bridge. Wait for the third party to answer. You will be talking to them privately while the first person remains on hold. To bridge them into your current call, press the conference a second time. If you want to speak to them privately again, press split, and both of your calls will go back on hold. You can simply select the call that you would like to speak with. Find Me. If you press the Find Me button, it is pre-programmed to ring your desk phone for 2 rings, then your cell phone for 3 rings, then back to your office voicemail.
Follow Me activated.
To deactivate Find Me, just press the button when you come back to the office.
Follow Me deactivated.
If you swipe the incoming call away on your cell phone, the call will be sent to your cell phone voicemail instead of to your desk phone's voicemail. To set up your voicemail, start with the yellow card that you received. Record your name, your busy and unavailable greetings. Press the message button.
You have 6.
Press
Press
0
1 to record your unavailable message.
and press
Press
1.
2 to record your busy message.
The white and red card is a cheat sheet card used for voicemail and call handling. Keep this under your phone while getting used to the new setup. You should also have a card to set up your temporary voicemail greeting. To access some features of your phone on your desktop, enter the IP address of your phone system into your browser, /recordings. You will then be on the login page. Where it says login, enter your extension number. Under password, you will find your password on the back of the yellow voicemail card we spoke about earlier. You will then see call monitor, voicemail, feature codes, follow me, phone features, and settings to the left. Under call monitor, you can see the history of your call log. Under voicemail, you can see your voicemails and you can even download them or listen to them from this page. Under the follow me settings, you can see the phone number that your follow me is going to. You can change the phone number here and you can also change the time that it rings. Under the settings page, you have access to change the email that your voicemails are going to.